Hey guys, welcome to a new video of Blue Eye, your Blue Eye here. So in this video I'm gonna explain the whole summary of events that are going to occur in the upcoming episode of Boruto anime, which is Boruto episode 181. So let's start the video. So before starting the video, like the video and share it with your friends. So guys, you have just watching the preview. Just in case you haven't watched the preview, so this is episode 181 preview, so watch it clearly and note everything you are gonna watch it. So I'm gonna speak right now. So this was the episode 181's preview, which was named The Vessel. So it officially starts the Vessel arc in the Boruto anime, and this episode in particular got me interested in, and it's hyping me because we can see the most anticipated movements in the episode, which are categorized by me into two. Which one is Naruto versus Boruto, Naruto and Boruto's fight, and the second one would be Konohamaru or Mugino Sensei versus Kawaki. So listening this making you hype like me too. So let's start with the first one, which is Naruto versus Boruto. So in the previous episode, Mr. Katasuke gives Naruto his new prosynthetic arm and he wants to test its power. So Naruto recalls that Boruto wanted Naruto to spar with him in a battle, and Naruto wants to test his new arm within that battle. So that's going to be an interesting battle to be seen. And in the meanwhile, we see Kara members begin to search for the crashed aircraft which has been crashed in the land of fire. So it's Victor's aircraft in which they have been transporting the vessel, which is of course Kawaki. So yeah, that's what the scenes we watch in the meanwhile of these battles. And the second one is the most anticipated one, to be truthful. It's the Kawaki's first appearance in the anime other than the Jump Festa. So this moment has arrived, and the main antagonist of the time skip arc, which is of course Kawaki, is going to appear in the anime. And we knew in the previous episode we saw Mugino Sensei saying Boruto that he was going on a top secret mission with Konohamaru regarding a plane crash on land of fire. And he also recalls in the episode, to be noting this point, he also recalls in that episode that a storyteller or a fortune teller says Mugino that the Konohamaru is going to be dead. So I think Kawaki is going to face Konohamaru most likely, and maybe just in case Mugino in a battle. And there are two obvious outcomes of it, which one is either Mugino or Konohamaru sacrifice themselves for the other one and end up being retreated to Konoha, and the second outcome is they both end up being beaten, and everyone in Konoha may think that there is a threat that keeping them and want to investigate what happened. So then we may watch Boruto and Team 7 coming into action, as Konohamaru and Mugino belong to Team 7. So they end up fighting Kawaki. This was a scene which we saw in the Boruto anime's Jump Festa trailer. So I think those two are interlinked, but I think the most possible outcome would be the second one, because we saw it literally in the Boruto's Jump Festa trailer. So it's anyways, so we can't say which will happen exactly. So thanks for watching guys, and if you like my video then give it a thumbs up and share it with all your friends along with the Boruto anime fans and Naruto anime fans. And please guys, subscribe to the channel if you're new to it, and that would help me a lot and that would inspire me a lot to get more and more content like this. And meet you in the next one guys. This is Blue Eye signing off. Bye.